The 2024 Lotus Emira is a two-seat mid-engine sports car that is the last internal combustion engine car from the British automaker. It is available in two trim levels, Base Edition and First Edition. The Base Edition is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 360 horsepower, while the First Edition is powered by a supercharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 400 horsepower. Exterior: the Emira has a sleek and aerodynamic design that is inspired by the Avisha hypercar. It features a long hood, a short rear deck, and a wide stance. The front end is dominated by a large grille and vertical LED headlights. The rear end features a wide diffuser and a large integrated rear spoiler. Interior: the Emira's interior is simple and functional. It features a two-seat cockpit with supportive seats and a flat-bottomed steering wheel. The center console is home to a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Performance: the Emira is a quick and agile sports car. The Base Edition can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, while the First Edition can do it in 4.3 seconds. Both models have a top speed of 180 miles per hour. Pricing: the 2024 Lotus Emira starts at $69,900 for the Base Edition and $83,900 for the First Edition. Overall, the 2024 Lotus Emira is a well-rounded sports car that offers a great driving experience. It is a worthy successor to the Evora and is sure to please enthusiasts.